It's very soon taking the MG up the hill, and you'll get that lovely sound from this 1930s seaside car. Part of his family, and there we go. Through the sun, into the sunshine. It's very hot for the shadow, but now into the sunshine as it starts to climb up the hill. And it's safe to say the pilot there, His Grace, knows this still flight very well indeed, going past his office window, effectively, going past the house, but just a chance to check all those banners straight around the outside. There is the giant MG structure in front of the house, but we will take the sunshine here. Who knows what this weekend is going to bring weather-wise. Northern Europe's had a truly awful summer, almost every very well.
Holy God, it was quick, wasn't it?
The bigger SUV, which is yeah, it's again one of the elements of the GoodWood FOS speed is the first glance element. A lot of these cars going to be witnessing some history. Some of the first glance will be running on Friday, so we'll keep on going through the weekend.
All right, I'll see you later. Look,